Kwe Kwe Tanse Kinawea. Greetings, my relatives. Grandmother Kim here today, and I'm going to show you how I make cedar tea. So in another video, I went out and I harvested a bunch of cedar. So I have a bit here, and what you need to prepare your tea is about 4 to 6 cups of water, a bowl or a sink to wash your cedar in, a cup to pour your tea into, and I use maple syrup to sweeten it up a little bit. And so the first thing I do when I get my cedar is I cut it off the bigger branches, sorry about that, and I look at it, and I want you to take a look at this, and you can see these little brown bits. I take those all off, and if there's any seeds as well, I take those off as well, and I put them to soak a little bit, just to clean them up really good. We know that trees are homes for birds and other animals, and so sometimes there'll be bugs and things on this, so I make sure that I clean it up before I put it into my pot of boiling water. And then what I'll do is I'll just simmer it for a little bit. So, and I also make sure that the pieces that I cut can actually fit into my pot. So I make sure that they're of a size that can actually fit in my pot. And then you put it in the pot, and you let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. The longer you let it simmer, the darker it will get, the more bitter it will be. So you want to make sure that it's not too strong, because then it's not very pleasant. And you want to remove the cedar when you're pouring it out into your cup. So I'm going to let this finish steeping a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you how I prepare an actual cup of cedar tea for myself.